The word for this video is maintenance. As a noun, maintenance means actions performed to keep some machine or system functioning or in service. As a noun, maintenance means a tort committed when a third party who does not have a bona fide interest in a lawsuit provides help or requires an interest to a litigant's lawsuit. As a noun, maintenance means alimony, a periodical payment or a lump sum made or ordered to be made to a spouse after a divorce. As a noun, maintenance means child support. As a noun, maintenance means money required or spent to provide for the needs of a person or a family. As a noun, maintenance means the natural process which keeps an organism alive. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.